inside out.
Well, hello, Rolly. Don't you look spiffy in your new fly mask? Oh, Merry Christmas, little guy. I think that fly mask really suits you, little guy. You look really cool. Already getting stuck into it. Jeez, it's a pretty decent size one. It's going to be big. Oh, you're the idiot that's got odd thongs on. Here.
Oh, that me.
You're a peanut. I was wondering who's got the extra thong. Well, he's put it all together.
Not all.
Looks, oh, well, most of it. Still got to finish it off a little bit tomorrow. But what do you think, Mim? Can you touch the ground with it? Like,
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Gee, that's a good size, actually.
Yeah, perfect size.
Can fit you all in. Oh, God, he's going to stack it the first day, isn't he?
Probably.
It's not much smaller than Daddy's one. Very good. Which is my better side? I think it's this side.
No good side.
Fuck off. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas
to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. Happy Vlogmas Day 25, guys. I made it. I did it. I honestly didn't think I would do it. I'm so happy that I did. And you guys seem to have enjoyed it. And I've really enjoyed doing it. Well, we are off to my dad's. We're going to spend Christmas Day with him, doing a pork roast on the spit, on the barbecue. And we've got some prawns and some yummy stuff. So yeah, we're just heading up there now. Jamie and Michael spent the morning putting Jamie's motorbike together. Jessie spent the morning lying around doing nothing.
I fitted the saddle to boot.
Oh, she fitted the saddle to boot. And she put his fly mask on. She's really happy with his fly mask. And yeah, I just basically got all the food and everything ready to take to my dad's. Edited my video, uploaded the video from yesterday. And yeah, so I'll see you once we get to my dad's place. Hope you are all having a lovely Christmas day. So far ours is beautiful. The weather is absolutely perfect today. It is like about, what is it, 28 degrees. It's quite warm, but it's like it's got a bit of a cool breeze in the shade. So yeah, perfect day. So yeah, have a good Christmas, everyone, and we'll see you back when we get to my dad's. We're just about to have a bit of Christmas lunch here, and this is what's on the menu for Christmas lunch, and then that's just to put all our scraps in. But have a look at the size of some of these prawns.
Look at that.
Look at the size of it, like mini lobsters.
That's what I want.
Merry Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas, darling. Give them some Poppy now. Merry Christmas, Poppy.
Thank you, mate. Thank you very much. All these. What am I going to do with all these? Better now, open them, aren't they?
Yeah. Guys, so I just wanted to finish off yesterday's vlog. It's actually Boxing Day today. I've just woken up. It's about 10:30, so I had a really good sleep, and I just didn't finish off yesterday's vlog because, yeah, by the time we got back from my dad's, it was pretty late, and I just didn't feel like taking the camera out. So I thought I'd finish off yesterday's vlog by opening the last box on the advent calendar. And yeah, then I'll start getting this video edited and uploaded to you guys. After I upload today's vlog, I'm going to have a couple of days off just to basically do nothing. Well, probably not do nothing as in do nothing, because yeah, I want to start taking all the Christmas decorations down now. It's going to be sad. I just love the Christmas decorations, but I am keen to start the new year fresh. So I plan to start sort of taking one room down per day, just so it's not so overwhelming, and yeah, start the new year off fresh. So I've got quite a few videos lined up for you guys between now and New Year, and yeah, I just want to start 2019 off fresh. I think it's going to be a good year next year. So yeah, so let's do the advent calendar now, last one for the year. Won't need to bother finding the box because we know it's the only one left. So here's our box here. It says, get a buzz, plant some flowers to help bumblebees thrive. It feels pretty light. So what have we got today? What's this? Oh, that's cute. A little owl face washer. How cute is that? And into the forest I go to lose my mind and find my soul. How nice is that? And it's so soft. It's like a microfiber type cloth. So yeah, that's gorgeous. Okay, and for the moment we have all, well, I don't know if you guys have been waiting for, but it's definitely something I've been keen to do, is put this puzzle together now. Okay guys, so I've put the little creatures together as far as what the creatures became. So we've got a little bear here, a little caterpillar, and a fox, maybe, like a fox. But I'm just not sure if I'm supposed to try and fit it in the box again with the pictures. I have a feeling not, because it doesn't look like they sort of fit together. But yeah, well, that's what we've come up with. And I did Google it and had a look on YouTube to see if anyone's actually done the solution and has fitted it in the box. But I can't find anyone that has. So, well, there you go. That's the puzzle pieces. Oh, well, I hope you've enjoyed Vlogmas as much as I have, guys. I've loved interacting with you all and reading your comments, and you know, actually getting to know a lot of you guys through Vlogmas, which is really, really nice. And I just want to wish all of you a really happy Christmas, a safe holiday, and hopefully we come back bigger and better in 2019. Thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family, guys. I've really appreciated every single one of you, and I've just really loved getting to know all you guys, and just, you know, how similar everyone is when you think of it. Like when it all comes down to it, you know, we can all relate to each other in some sort of way. So yeah, I'll sign off here, guys. Let you all have a very happy Christmas, and I will see you back soon. Thanks for watching.